1. First of all, you need to sign up. Open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, enter the link provided in the description box. On the website, you'll have the option to sign up. At the top right of the screen, you can use any email address or conveniently log in with your Gmail account using the same password. Provide your phone number during the registration process. You will receive a verification code on your phone. Open the email account that you used to sign up for ChatGPT. Copy the verification code from the email. Paste the code into the required field during the registration process. These steps will help ensure your registration is complete and verified. Once you're signed in, you will be directed to ChatGPT 4, which is currently available for free. You can now ask it any question you'd like. Two, how to log in. After signing up, the login process becomes simple. Just click on the link provided in the description box, enter your email and password, and you'll be ready to enjoy asking ChatGPT countless questions. On the left side of the ChatGPT interface, you'll find a history section that displays your previous searches. These searches are always recorded and are never deleted from the history. In the middle of the ChatGPT interface, there are ready-made topics to help you get ideas and make your conversations better. They suggest things to talk about and give you a starting point. These topics are there to help you explore different subjects and have more organized conversations with ChatGPT. It's like having a never-ending conversation buddy with ChatGPT. It keeps things interesting, so you'll never be bored. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, high five. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments like a boss. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowingly simple tutorials. Let's make our lives easier and have a good time together.